Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Let have vote ka agatha ki sangma. Kakartong nagaseng National People Party ka agatha ki sangma kala let have yaladi ha ka polling station jung ka walbakri. Ha ka jing thap ka agatha ki sangma ka yathu hadin bala thap vote. Ka kanman ban one pai da ka jing job badan buram bat kan pinda piki kam badangsa.
Ma'am, you have been in queue for a long time, and what is your expectation regarding the voting turnout in Meghalaya?
Generally, you know, in the MP Lok Sabha elections, we don't see a very large turnout in comparison to the assembly elections. And this morning, seeing this large number of people coming out to vote is a very positive sign, and I would encourage our people to exercise this franchise. And yes, it's a wonderful sign, and I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers.
So what are the core issues that affect the locals in the voting actually in Meghalaya?
I think the core issues obviously is development, it's peace, and when I say development, it also includes employment. You know, people want good infrastructure, they want their governments to provide good infrastructure, they want governments to provide job opportunities, and I feel that this government has, you know, fulfilled and delivered on these promises.
So we have seen that females are participating in long high numbers. What will you say about that?
This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, you know, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and, you know, a duty to come out and vote.